Hello Stellar friends, it's Amber here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at Beautiful by Gordon Lightfoot. Now this really is one of his masterpieces. Now if you listen closely to the original, you will hear there are lots of different guitar parts happening. We have finger picking, there's some strumming in there, and it all blends nicely together. But for this lesson, I'm going to teach you a simplified version that you can comfortably sing and strum at home without it feeling too complicated. So let's get into the lesson. So first things first, let's get set up. You're going to want to pop a capo onto the second fret, and then we are going to go ahead and look at the chords. Now you're going to notice a lot of major 7 chords. Those are what give the song a romantic, dreamy sound. So here are the shapes that we're going to be using. The first shape is an A major 7 chord. Now if you are familiar with playing a D7, okay, this is going to be your ticket to remembering an A major 7 chord shape. All you're going to do is take this chord shape and you're going to move it up by 1 string. So our middle finger is going to be playing the D string, our first finger is going to be playing the G, and our third finger will be playing on the B string. And we strum from the A string down. Okay, you can already hear that dreamy, beautiful, romantic sound coming through. Kind of like a bossa nova sound to the song. Okay, so that is our A major 7 chord. From here, we have an F major 7. I like to call this an easy F in a lot of my tutorials if you've watched any of my other lessons. So an F major 7 chord. All right, and for this song, you can actually include the A string if you would like to. It does just adds a bit more depth to the song. Okay, so this is our F major 7. Next up, we need a D major 7. Okay, now for a D major 7, I like to take my first finger and I just bar it over the G, the B, and the E string in the second fret. And we can strum this from the D string down. Now, if your barred notes sound a little bit like that, but muted and fuzzy, then you can play using fingers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so again, you're kind of creating an A major chord shape, but you're just playing it on the G, the B, and the high E string. It doesn't matter which one you use, just whichever chord shape is more comfortable for you. Next up, we have a D minor 7 chord. We also need a mini bar for this one. So our first finger is going to be barring the B string and the E string in the first fret, okay? And then our second finger is going to be going into the second fret on the G string. And this is going to give us our D minor 7 chord shape. Okay, from here we have an A minor 7. This is quite easy. If you think about a regular A minor, all you have to do is lift up your ring finger. And here is our A minor 7. Okay, 2 more chords to go. Next up we have a regular D major. So I'm sure a lot of you are sighing with relief. Okay, it's our only major chord in the entire song. And then the final chord we need is an E sus 4. So if you go and find a regular E major chord, all you need to do is take your pinky and you're going to place it into the second fret on the G string. It's actually going to be blocking the sound that your first finger would be playing. So you can take that first finger off. And this is our E sus 4. Okay, so the way you can find that is think of an E chord and then add your pinky. Right, so take a moment to get familiar with all of these chords. Okay, they might feel a little bit unusual at first, especially if you haven't played many major 7 chords before. And when you feel ready, let's move on to the rest of the lesson. So let's start off by looking at the intro. We have 2 chords here. We're going to be moving between an A major 7 chord and an F major 7 chord. So just get comfortable moving back and forth. We have A major 7, and we transition to an F major 7. And the strumming pattern that we're going to be using, and it's going to be used for the entire song, is going to sound like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up. It's our favorite beginner pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. And each of the chords is going to get 2 rounds of that pattern. So let's give that a try together. Here we go. And down, down, up, down, up, repeats. F major 7, and repeats. Back to A major 7, down, down, up, down, up, repeats. And we switch, down, down, up, down, up, repeats. So moving on to looking at the verse, we have 3 verses in the song, and the good news here is that the chord progression stays the same across all 3 verses. Now, just to make mention, this is not a difficult song, but it does keep us on our toes because a lot of the chord shapes are unfamiliar. We don't use a lot of major 7 chords in everyday songs, right? So give yourself some grace, be kind to yourself as you internalize these chord shapes. So the verse will be up on the screen, and we're going to start on that A major 7 chord. So it's the same chord we start the song on in the intro. So A major 7. From here we change to A minor 7. So we keep our second finger down, and we can use that as a pivot finger to our A minor 7. The next chord in the sequence is a D major 7. So for this one, I like to bar with my first finger, but you can use fingers 1, 2, or 3. From our D major 7, we're going to a D minor 7 chord. We're going to transition back to an A major 7. We definitely play this chord the most in the song. And then our A minor 7 again. Right, and our strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. We continue with that pattern, and we're going to do 2 rounds of the strumming pattern on every single chord. So let's give that a try together. A 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, down, up, repeats. Switch, A minor 7, repeats. D major 7, repeats. D minor 7's next, repeats. A major 7, down, down, up, down, up, repeats. And A minor 7, and repeats. So definitely take some time here, pause the video, the chords are up on the screen for you, and just run through that again, maybe 1 or 2 more times before we move on to looking at the chorus. So our chorus is next. We have 3 choruses in the song. Again, all the chords are going to stay the same each time we play the chorus. So those chords will be up on the screen. We don't have any new chords, but we're just putting them into a different order. So we're going to be starting off with that D major 7 chord. Right, so we have that D major 7. From here, we're going to be changing to a D minor 7. Then we have A major 7 and F major 7. Okay, so 4 chords, run them through again. Shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, and shape 4. And we're going to add in that pattern, down, down, up, down, up, twice on every chord. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, repeats. Switch. D minor 7. A major 7. And F major 7. Then to finish off the song, we have an outro, and the chords again are going to be changing here. So the outro will be displayed for you, and let's run through the chords quickly together, starting on that D major 7 to our A major 7. Okay, then we have our first regular major chord. We just have a D major. And from here we transition to an E sus4. And we're going to play that twice before ending the song the same way we actually started the song. A major 7 to F major 7. Let's give it a try, starting on that D major 7, and we're going to do our pattern down, down, up, down, up twice on each chord. All right, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, repeat. A major 7. Regular D chords. E sus4, 1. And repeat. 2. A major 7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. A major 7. All right, everyone, let's do a full playthrough of the song so that we can take everything that we've learned in the lesson and put it together. So have your guitar ready, that capo on the 2nd fret, and I'll see you for a play along coming up next. So it's playthrough time. Let's take it from the top. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I just don't know how you could be anything but beautiful. I think that I was made for you, and you were made for me. And I know that I will never change, 'cause we've been friends through rain or shine for such a long, long time. Laughing eyes and smiling face, it seems so lucky just to have the rights of telling you with all my might beautiful tonight. And I know that you will never stray, 'cause you've been that way from day to day for such a long, long time. And when you hold me tight, how could life be anything but beautiful? I think that I was made for you, and you were made for me. And I know that I will never change, 'cause we've been friends through rain or shine for such a long, long time. And I must say, it means so much to me to be the one that's telling you, I'm telling you that you're beautiful. So I really hope you enjoyed learning this dreamy Gordon Lightfoot song. I really enjoyed teaching it to you today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I've also taught a lesson for If You Could Read My Mind. It will be up on the screen, so go check that one out. And until next time, I'll see you in another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.